you to a great journey today. We just came from Queens, cross the Queensboro Bridge. Now we're gonna cross Manhattan and we're going to New Jersey. Yes. And then we're going to Staten Island. Yes, I know it's a lot of noise, but there's a construction site. There's the bridge. It's New York. I love New York, but it's a lot, lots of crowdy noise. It's a beautiful ride. Will be a very long ride. Will take the whole day long, and I'm very happy of it. Let's do it. And one more thing. This is fantastic. I couldn't done it without it. I can't do it without it. It's wow. So let's ride it. So we're getting the 55 to cross from east to west. It's a very nice protected route, and it crosses all Manhattan from one side to the other. So let's do it. Those here are the best ones because you're very protected. There's a space for the guy to open the door, and you're here. No cars will get you. Well, at least I don't hope. I hope they won't. And it crosses all over Manhattan. There's a lot of them. Just look at Google Maps and you'll find them. Put in Google Maps the part that says bicycle. Yes, there is a part that says bicycle, and then you're gonna see all the routes for bicycles. Let's go. Broadway. You can go downtown with Broadway, or in my case I'm going to the Hudson River. So we're going straight the 55. And if you didn't bring your bike, you can rent it. Lots of bikes. Side. Hudson River Greenway. It's beautiful. One of the prettiest greenways to ride in. So you see, I'm going straight. Let's press it. It feels empowering. So cool, isn't it? So let me show you. Here, it's one of the prettiest ones because it's really far away from the cars. They're only for bicycles and wheels. You know? See? And we're going to the other side. And you're gonna see how beautiful is the view from the other side. They're brown building, so let's get there. This marvelous bike path, so cool. Close my Brompton, very small, so it'll be no problem to get in. Wow, it's beautiful. So let's go to the information and buy some tickets to the ferry and go to New Jersey. Okay, got the tickets and we're going to number 5. Let's go. It's expensive though. It's $9. So if you really want to go just cross New Jersey, get a subway. It's $2.75. But you know, it's a trip. The beauty about the Brompton. If we're a regular bike, we would have to pay extra, but it's a Brompton. It fits anywhere. So here we are at New Jersey, and look how cool. The vessel on the bottom, vessel building, and the Empire State Building. Is that cool? And we are at Lincoln Harbor, and look how cool. They made a lot of apartments and buildings in the pier. Never seen that. I guess that summertime this here must be very, very fun. So if you come here, come in summertime. Lunch. Now I'm happy again. So my fuel tank it's up. Liberty State Park. This is downtown Manhattan. I was going to ride all the way to Staten Island, but I realized that there's no safe roads all the way there. So I'll do this. Get in the back train and show you one of the most beautiful metro station, train station. I show you, it's so cool. And let's go back to Manhattan. Okay, here we go. Look at this stairway. That's huge, isn't it? We're going down for the PAT train and straight to Manhattan. Check it out. And going back up to Manhattan and back to Queens in this beautiful, beautiful bike path. Pedestrians go here and the cyclists go here. I'll show you. See? So this way, it's no problem. Ride your bike with no worries. Very wide. I really like this bike path. Cheers. Heading back home. And as you see, it's very crowded here. The temperature is marvelous. It's like, well, I don't know, 15? For here it's marvelous. Oh, if you can see it all the way there. We were over there. We crossed all that bay. We were riding over there. And now we're gonna go up in this beautiful bike path and back to Queens. Nice ride, isn't it? Well, I couldn't go to the Staten Island because I couldn't find any secure roads to go, so I decided not to. Better safe than sorry, always. Well, if you did like it, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. Wait, the video is not over. It's just that it's such a beautiful, look at it. The sun is so marvelous that I decided to say this now. It's crowded because it's the end of the day and the sun is out and it's a nice temperature. Well, for here, let me see how much is it. It's 16 degrees is very good for winter time. So let's keep riding. It's a very interesting place because some of the bike paths are on the left side, some of them are on the right side, some of them on the middle. So sometimes it's hard to understand Where should you ride if you ride slower than the other bicycles? Always ride near the sidewalk, you know. If you are on the right side, you're gonna be on the right side. If you are on the left side, you'll be on the left side. So it's like sometimes you're English, sometimes you're American. Exactly where we started, in Queensboro Bridge. Back to where we started. Hope you did enjoy this trip. It's a very nice trip. It took 8 hours and 40 minutes and it was around 37 kilometers and it was so cool. I love the view from New Jersey. Very, very nice. Hope you enjoy it. See ya. Bye bye.